What I'm going to do here is just like slightly curvy in your layers because I want them to look natural like this side, because I just feel like this needs a little bit of movement. And so how I do that is I get the straightener and I'm just going to like bend the ends in really slightly like this. And see how it creates like that sort of low waved look. And then I'll do the ends as well, just so that it's got a little bit more softness to it.
I'm starting to do my hair straight more, which is nice, but I do love a natural end as well, which I love what you're doing.
Because if you look at Chantel's hair, this is her natural hair there. So that's where her hair ends, and then you've got about 2.5 inches of extension, halo, which is perfect for you because look how much volume it's giving you as well.
Feels so thick, which I love. I've been blonde for maybe like 4 years now, like dyeing my hair constantly with work and like all the heat that goes into my hair as well. It's kind of getting a bit more damaged than what it used to be as a teenager, but I don't know, I'm finding like a few good products that just work with my hair, so I kind of just stick with it. And yeah, it is growing a lot more than what it used to.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
Miracle Hair.
Yeah, by 11.
11.
We love
Australia.
11.
Yeah, it's so good. It's like, after the shower, it's my go-to.